change has made Zurich vulnerable to heat waves, droughts, flood, landslides, and ancient pathogens. The heat waves are making the glaciers disappear, causing massive amounts of flooding and landslides, as well as the release of pathogens that haven't been seen for millennia, which people are vulnerable to, causing pandemics. If Switzerland continues business as usual, then the heat waves are going to get worse, the droughts are going to get worse, food is going to be harder to come by, and with the food waste as it is now, there could be a lot of issues with the ability for people to have or find food. Also, heat waves have been causing deaths. In 2022, there were 623 people who died due to the heat wave. And in 2003, there was one of the largest heat waves in Europe, and 1,000 recorded deaths were attributed to the heat wave. And Switzerland is even more vulnerable to heat waves because it is 0.5 degrees Celsius higher than the global average temperature. Without any changes, this will cause mass amounts of death, mainly with elderly people. With the aging population of Switzerland, there will be a lot more deaths in the future. Zurich itself has very little greenery in the city, which means that there's a lot of heat that can't be dissipated. There are plans in Zurich to implement a lot of green spaces, making a lot more area to be able to dissipate this heat. They're also implementing solar panels on roofs, which will both help with heat dissipation as well as contribute to cleaner energy. What's unique about Swiss culture is that there is an immense amount of tourism around skiing and winter sports. As these heats continue to rise, there's less and less snow and less snowfall. So winter tourism is going to become untenable very quickly. So Switzerland has been trying to create interest in summer tourism